In this video, we'll demonstrate how to generate QArt in Canva. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Creating QR codes with custom images and text prompts is easy with Canva's Hello QArt feature. First, open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up or log in to your existing account. Once you're logged in, locate the Apps icon on the Canva dashboard. This icon is typically found in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it to access the list of available apps and integrations. In the search bar, within the Apps section, type in Hello QArt and press Enter. You'll see the Hello QArt icon appear in the search results. Click on the Hello QArt icon to open the tool. You'll now be in the Hello QArt interface. Here, you can paste the link you want to attach to the QR code in the designated field. Additionally, in the description box, type in a text prompt that describes the content of the QR code. For example, you can write, "A superhero, generate QR code." After entering the link and description, click on the Generate QArt button. Canva will process your request. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. Once the QR code with the embedded image is generated, you'll see it displayed on the screen. It's fully scannable and ready to use. You can download the QR code by clicking on the Download button. If you want to create additional QR codes with different text prompts, simply repeat these steps. Hello QArt makes it easy to customize QR codes for various purposes. By following these straightforward steps, you can use Canva's Hello QArt feature to create personalized QR codes with embedded images and text prompts, enhancing your marketing materials or adding a creative touch to your projects. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications.